going to be like the second time I am saying I feel like quitting, but this is going to be like the first time I am 100% assured that I need to quit YouTube, honestly. At this point, it's choking me, it's overwhelming, I'm having overload, and so on and so forth. If you don't know, I have 3 YouTube channels. I manage them myself. I don't have a PA, okay? So I manage them myself. I do my editing, I do my posting, I do every damn thing myself on this particular YouTube street. But you see, at this point, right, I'm getting it like over here because it's coming with a whole lot of demand. YouTube is demanding. I keep telling people, right? YouTube is demanding. YouTube is time consuming. YouTube is dedication, because this is one of the things that can actually get you going. A lot of people might start thinking, Sonia that is encouraging us, because I've called like few persons that I know personally from YouTube, and they knew me, and I told them, I want to quit for now. Let me just at least wait till next year. And they'll be like, what? If you quit, you that is encouraging us, how do we now cope? How do we now keep pushing? I was like, at this point, your encourager is looking for encouragement. You understand what I'm trying to say? Anyways, let me break this down so that a lot of people can actually understand. I managed a YouTube channel, like I said, from the onset of this particular video, and I started schooling this year. And that is one of the best things that has happened to me, and at the same time, one of the worst things that have happened to me, because I need to read, I need to keep up to school. And the annoying part is the school is now demanding more than what I expected. So at first, in starting this school, after me and my husband concluded, and I decided, okay, let me just go and do it this same year. I was thinking that it's not going to be too demanding, because my mindset was, I will just be going to school on Fridays. But as I'm talking to you guys currently, I school on Sunday too. I school on Sundays. So I have like Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays. And this particular week, it's supposed to be like a week off for us, not coming to school, not doing anything. It has been announced actually, but one of the lecturer has made it clear that you have to come to class Saturday, and not only Saturday, you will even still come on Monday, while I have ICT class to deal with on Sunday. Jesus. Monday, a whole day, like when he said that in class, like my head just, I was like, Jesus Christ, oh my God. So juggling this study thing and YouTube, I don't even know which one to focus on right now. Sometimes I get emotional about this, because I sit down and be like, what do I do? I even told my husband personally, I said, actually, I'm not going to pause YouTube for a while and then just finish, since it's just this 1 year that I have, because I don't want my result to, the position where my result is right now, to be down. Anyways, let me break it down, because a lot of people, they're even asking me, what are you really studying? What are you really doing? What are you doing this? What are you doing that? Anyways, I'm doing HND conversion, right? I wanted to like break it down very well in a particular sit down video, not actually on this channel, but let me just say it. So I'm running HND conversion program, and why I'm running HND conversion program is because I did HND, okay? I have my ND, then I have my HND, and I needed to convert my result to BSc. And for me to convert my result to BSc, every other places that we've been going to for us to get this conversion, they said it's going to take us 2 years, right? Then we got this particular offer from this beautiful university in Rivers State, and they said it is a 1-year program. So I feel like their offer is perfect, sweet, everything, aside the fact that the school is very, very expensive. I'm not going to call the name of the school here, but honestly, if you are conversant with my vlog and then you are seeing my environment, definitely you're going to guess the school, or you're going to know the school. But to be honest, the school is quite expensive. Like, I don't need to say quite, like, it is very, 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 very expensive. So if you're coming for HND conversion, get prepared. If you're coming for starting from even year 1 level, just get prepared, right? So I'm doing HND conversion, and I'm running 6 courses. I'm having 6 courses plus ICT, like 7 courses. I read accounting, right? And it's another big demand, honestly, because in my HND, I came out with upper, and I have 3.13 in my HND, right? 3.13 in my HND, and I don't want anything that will drag my result back. At least I'm looking out, if I'm not graduating with first class, at least I should be able to get second class. So I don't just want anything that will just bring my result down. I don't just want anything that will tamper with that particular result, because it is going to be, according to what they explained to us, it is going to be like a compilation of that particular result and this present one that we are doing. So if there is anything I should try and meet up to, is this particular semester, because we have just 2 semesters. And if I am not getting anything, at least I should be getting A and B's in my courses, right? In my 6 courses, so that it can be able to like push that one. And if I don't come out with the first class, I come out with second class. And that is just my greatest desire, because I feel like if I get anything less, it is not Sonia. It is not Sonia. So that is why it is really, really taking my time, trying to read, trying to concentrate. Like sometimes my husband will wake up in the night, he sees me sitting down reading, he will tell me, go and sleep, please. I told him that this is the only time that I have. And right now, if you check my eye lane here, you know that I'm really stressed, because I don't know. Then I will not try to like generate content ideas to like create content. That is why, if you're conversant with my YouTube channel, like if you're conversant with my content recently, you will know that I just stand, film and talk and go. You will know that this is not planned. It is not like what I sit down to like plan very well, like me, unlike me, you understand? And I have classes I'm also taking, and I have to concentrate on those students and make sure that they achieve what they paid for as well. This is why, how did I manage to bring it up? Okay, I've reduced it. So it's just a whole lot for me. I have a lot on my plate. My life right now, I don't even know which to focus on. I ranted this on, I think, on one of my short videos, but I didn't go into details. This thing is still whitish. I didn't go into details, right? So I don't know. At this point there, I feel like if you are going to be getting videos for me, because I always tell myself that consistency is the key, and is that I drop one to concentrate on one, but still I just feel like I will try to manage the both, right? But if I'm managing the both, I don't know, you people are just basically going to be enjoying my content as it is right now, until I'm able to finish this particular 1-year program, and then I'm able to focus and do what I need to do. And you know, when a motivator is telling you that she's quitting, my head full, honestly. My head full. At first, I was ashamed of myself to come and carry my phone here and tell you guys that I'm quitting, right? But at some point again, sorry guys, someone is knocking gates that they will not have key to be opening. Every time they'll be disturbing me with knock here. So, not my gate anyways, another gate. So I felt ashamed at first to be like, how do I come and tell these people that I want to quit? But in a second thought, I just told myself, I just have to tell you guys something. I just have to like come rant, pour out my heart. Let me just get some advice in the comment section. What do you think I should do now? What do you think? Because basically, I'm not happy that I'm not wearing my YouTube polo every time here to sit down and do videos, honestly, because I have a brand and I'm building a brand and I'm not ready to terminate that brand, right? But another thing that my husband said is just keep doing what you're doing. Your people already love you. So since they already love you, just make sure that every information you're giving them, you just do a little bit of research here and there, and then you put it out here. Let me know in the comment section, do you think I should continue doing YouTube? Do you think I should pause YouTube and finish this my education? Because it's obviously, if I'm going to be pausing YouTube, that is why right now, I do not take like so many classes at the same time. Yeah, in a day I might just do like 6 classes. I don't take like so many like before, you understand? I just take my time to like do them. But what do you think? What do you think? What do you think? Advise me in the comment section. Should I pause YouTube and then focus on my life right now? Every vlog that is even coming up on my channel, if you notice very well, they are old vlogs. They are not recent vlogs, because remembering to even carry my camera to vlog now is a whole lot of issue. So I just told myself, in that particular lifestyle content channel, I'm just going to be doing what is called think and film strategies, and I'll show you guys. Because one thing with YouTube is, once you quit, right? Once you quit, YouTube just drop you to one side. You get, and I've had that experience. I know how experienced it is for you to pause your YouTube and then continue. You guys, just tell me something, please, in the comment section. Do you think I should quit? Do you think I should just continue? Do you think I should just keep pushing? I'm tired. Someone should just please talk to me. Talk to me. Talk to me. Hey, it's not easy. See my brush. I want to sweep. See my kitchen. I want to cook. Frustrating. Honestly, sometimes I feel like crying. I didn't prepare for this. But I